Very good morning. Welcome to MST School of Trading. So we have added one more indicator called MST I10 2.0 in addition to MST iCore 2.0. So today let us see how to use this indicator and what is the performance in the previous trading day. So now I am going to replay the bar replay button. Now it will show you the market as if it is not open yet. So what you have to do, go to tradingview.com and select any script whichever you want to trade. So basically we are trading in Bank Nifty and crude oil most of the time. So I will show you the demo with the Bank Nifty. So I have chosen spot price and I kept it at 1 minute time frame so that you will get a clarity. Time frame is not a matter. You can keep 1 minute, 3 minutes, 5 minutes or 50 minutes or whichever you want. But for better clarity on the screen, I am keeping 1 minute. So now the market has opened and immediately we got the 4 lines got formed. Actually the 5 lines got formed. So if the market is coming down to 39,325 first, we will be buying the put option. If the market is coming down to going up to 39,700 near, we will be buying 39,700 put option. So hope it is clear. That is one option. Another option, if the market is going to the upper side here 39,773 nearby, we can buy the midpoint, that is 39,500 put option. Otherwise, if the market is coming down to 39,300, you can buy the same strike price, that is 39,500 call option. So wherever market is going, either to upper level or lower level, you take the midpoint as the strike price. So why we are taking the midpoint? So we will be getting the premium at very low price. When the market is having a very momentum, we will get very huge profit. So that is the advantage of choosing the midpoint as the strike price. Otherwise you can choose ATM or ITM also depending on your capital. So market has not moved to any of the side. It is neither reached the upper level nor reached the bottom level. So now we are waiting with the strike price. Both PE and CE we are having in our watch list. So whichever side it is going first, that side we will be trading. It is very simple method. You don't have to worry about anything. The thing is you have to have the patience. So market is going towards the upper level. It is trying to reach the top level, which means what? We are going to buy put option. We are going to sell. Sell means we are going to buy put option. Or if you are option seller, you can sell the call option at the ATM or ITM. For selling the strike price, you will have to have minimum 1.5 lakhs. To buy any options, you will have very minimum amount like 10,000 rupees to 15,000 rupees. It is almost nearing, yeah. So we got our entry. So here we got our entry 39,766. So now we have taken 39,700 put option and our stop loss will be 39,900 on a closing basis. If the market is going upper side, second line, on a closing basis, we will be exiting the put option. Again we will be buying the call option. So hope it is clear. Now directly we can wait till the midpoint. That is the one option. Otherwise you can go here, you select the targets. So I have given here first sell entry, sell target, second buy entry, buy targets. Clear? So our first target will be 39,648, or directly you can wait for the midpoint also. So we will be getting 1:2 ratio of the profit. So the market is trading in a bearish mode. So all other indicators will be in a bullish mode, but our MST iCore 2.0 is clearly showing you the sell trend. And first target hit. So now we will be getting one doubt. After the first target, what do you have to do? So what you have to do, revise the stop loss to cost and wait for the more target. Otherwise, what you can do, come here. We have given some option here like super trend. Super trend, it is not there in this indicator. So here I have given in this indicator, remove all other options and enable only the super trend. So now sell trend activated. Now we are using the super trend only for the exit. Okay, only for the exit we are using, not for the entry. Entry is depending on our zone level. As per our zone level, sell got activated already. So now we will be revising the stop loss based on the super trend. So super trend still in the sell trend only. Already we have got 2 targets achieved. So now here we can exit our entry. Once again, if the market is going up to our sell side, again we can buy the put option. This is the one method. Otherwise, simply we have to revise the stop loss. So again we have got one more entry from the super trend, but we are not using the super trend for the entry. Why? Because we are taking the entry based on our sell zone or buy zone. Already we are in a sell trend. See here again it is coming down. Coming down. So likewise you can use. So as I told you, we can directly wait for the midpoint. So here exactly we have got the entry at the midpoint. So from there it is getting reversed. So here also we have one technique called R3C. We have taught you for all the members. What is R3C? The rejection of candles. So when in a previous trend should be a sell trend, and immediately there should be a rejection. The candle should be rejected, and after that there should be a confirmation candle. The confirmation candle must be a green candle for taking bullish trade. So now mark this high and low of this candle. Once the high broken, take the buy entry. Once the low broken, take the sell entry. So now see here, exactly all our 3 targets have been hit. Exactly all our 3 targets have been hit. So that's all. So this is how we have to trade using our MST iCore 2.0. It is very simple to understand. The only thing is most of the people will be scared when the market is going in a pure bullish trend. Immediately it will show sell. So 99% of the people will be scared to take the sell entry. They will buy at the top. So immediately it will not go if there is no momentum. So market will be reversing at the top. So most of the people again will book the loss. Again they will go for the sell entry. For example, what people will think, see here, it was in a clear buy trend and it is forming higher high and higher low. So they will think that market will go up from here. They will be taking any call option, and market immediately has taken a bearish mode. It is reversed towards the downside. So here they will think when the midline is broken, for example, they will be selling, that is they will be buying the put option. Again the market will be reversed to upper side. Again they will buy here call option, then market will fall down. Then they will be upset. Whenever I buy the call option, it is going down. whenever I buy the put option, it is going up. So to avoid this, psychologically our indicator has been prepared, so it will show you exact point of reversal from where it will reverse. So hope it is clear. Now I will show you an example from the commodity, that is the crude oil. You can choose any script and you continuously do back testing. So once you are convinced with the output, the performance, then you can go for the entry. Unless you are not convinced, don't go for any entry. See the perfection. So once I open the market, I have to reset the settings. So now what is the condition? Once sell activated, there is no buy. So now I'm going to replay the market. Again I'm keeping in 1 minute time frame so that you will get better clarity. You can keep in 5 minutes, 10 minutes also, no issue. See here, immediately after the market is opened, we have got our 5 lines formed. And initially it will be having very tiny SL only. The SL will be minimum of 20 points. So in a crude oil, you can keep minimum 30 points stop loss and 30 point target. 30 point stop loss and 30 point targets. If it is 20 or 19 points, so you can extend the stop loss, as well as if the target is only 20 points, you can extend the targets to 30 points. Okay, don't forget this, we have been telling in our one-to-one training. So now you tell me what we have to do. We have to wait for the market to reach either side. If it is reaching to 5808, we will be selling. If it is reaching to 5723, we will be buying. So in crude oil, we have the options trading also. When it reaches 5808 nearby, you can buy 5800 put option, or you can buy 5750 put option, or if you are a seller, you can sell 5800 call option. So whichever you want to do, that you can do depending on your capital. If the market is coming down to 5723, you can buy 5700 call option or 5750 call option. If you are an option seller, you can sell 5700 put option or 5650 put option depending on your capital. So now market has not reached either side. It has not reached either the upper side nor the bottom side. So now we have been waiting. I will just increase the speed. So now we are ready with the sell order and the buy order. So we are ready with the call option and put option. If you are trading in futures, exactly place the number 5808 and stop loss 5808 plus 30 points. See here what happened. The high made was 5809 and our entry is at 5808. So exactly and perfectly, more accurately, we got the entry. Now once we get the sell entry, we have to remove the buy orders. So I am removing the buy and enabling the sell entry, removing the second sell entry. So now I can directly wait for the midpoint, that is 5766 for the 1:2 ratio, or I can book at the first target. It is up to you. So we are waiting for the targets. It is not yet given, still in the sell mode only. We got the first target, we got the second target, we got the midpoint. So all the targets we have been achieved. To know the end levels, you can use our super trend method. So whenever the super trend is giving the buy entry in a sell mode, you have to avoid. So only for a safe exit you can use our super trend. Otherwise you have to keep revising the stop loss one after the other targets. So to know the next levels, what you can do, come here and increase the targets. We have big targets, big two targets. So we have many options. So in a big two targets, three targets almost reached. It is coming to the third target also. Yeah, perfectly. The third targets also reached. So you see the perfection. Exactly the cell activated and immediately first target, second target and third target in a 1:4 ratio. 1:4 ratio we have got the targets achieved. So from 5808 to 5534. So almost 300 points we have got the profit. So almost 300 points we have got the profit, and after reaching the third target it was reversed. So now for that only we have taught you the R3C method. Don't forget the R3C method. The stop loss will be very less, the target will be very big. So hope it is clear. So both Bank Nifty and crude oil, it has performed well. So similarly all other scripts also would have performed well. And another trick what we can say for Bank Nifty, if by HDFC, ICICI are in a bullish mode, go for the buy, that is buy call option. If HDFC and ICICI are in a sell trend, don't go for the call option buying, go for the put option buying. So that is a simplest method to identify the trend of the market. So as long as it is in a green mode, you will have somehow you will get the profit for 100%. As long as this ICICI and HDFC are red, you will get 100% profit in the put option buying. So now I'm closing. Yeah, it is automatically closed. So now you see perfectly from here to here we have got the target. So for now better quality, better readability I'm keeping in a 3 minutes time frame. So from there to here all the targets have been achieved. So hope it is clear. For any doubts please call us on the given number 9500009154, and you can visit your website mstihighschool.org.co.in. Thank you all for watching our video. If you are not subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe and share the video to all your friends. And now during Ramadan we are giving 50% flat offer in all the indicators, and for the training also we are giving 50% discount. So whoever interested in learning the market and subscribing to our indicator at 50% discount, it is a great discount we are giving. You can utilize this offer. Thank you all. Bye bye. All the best. Wish you all a happy profitable trade ahead.